Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone.
Otol Tunnel was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. India's first national park is Jim Corbett National Park. Who is the chairman of DRDO? Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Capital of Indonesia? Jakarta. Mukurti National Park is in Tamil Nadu. In which continent Gobi Desert is located? In Asia. Saddle Peak National Park is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Earth Day is observed on 22nd April. International Women Day is observed on 8th March. Amount of substance is measured in mole. The state having longest coastline in India. Gujarat. Khelo India Youth Games 2020 was held in Guwahati. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Ubuntu is an operating system. The brain of a computer is CPU. Which gas is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? Methyl isocyanate. Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. Youngest President of India is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Sabarimala Temple is located in Kerala. The Vande Bharat Express runs between which two stations? Between New Delhi and Varanasi. CM of Himachal Pradesh. Jairam Thakur. Sericulture is related to silk farming. Maximum seat in Lok Sabha is 552. When Environment Protection Act was passed? In 1986. Longest national highway in India is National Highway 44. Governor of Bihar is Fagu Chauhan. Second Battle of Panipat was fought in (1556). Governor General of Bengal at the time of Bengal Division in 1905 was Lord Curzon. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is for the girl children. Kudankulam nuclear power plant is situated in Tamil Nadu. Who is the recipient of 55th Gyanpith Award? Akkitam Achyutan Namboothiri. The writer of Rajtarangini is Kalhana. Total Ramsar sites in India: 42. Which pass connects Jammu and Leh? Banihal Pass. Seven sister states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Double helix model of DNA was proposed by Watson and Crick. Which bank has been merged with Bank of Baroda? Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. International Court of Justice is located in Hague, Netherlands. SI unit of electric current is ampere. smallest district in India is Mahe. Founder of Partana Samaj. Atmaram Pandurang. Khalsa Panth was established by Guru Gobind Singh. When Mars orbiter mission of ISRO was launched? 5th November 2013. Member countries of BIMSTEC are India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Sound waves can travel through which medium? Through solids, liquids and gases. The Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2019. David Attenborough. India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2020 is 94th. The theme of World Environment Day 2020 was Time for Nature. Dandi Yatra was started from Sabarmati Ashram. Landlocked country of South America, Bolivia.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।